Okay, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your boy Tech. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the investment platform that I've found online. It's paying. I've seen people getting paid from the same platform. Usually they're paying very high, very high. Yeah. So without further ado, or without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to show you the website. You can typically use any website, any search engine that you have in your phone. For me, I'm using Safari, using the iPhone. You can use any browser that you have, Google, anything. Yeah, so let's head into the website. Okay, here is how the dashboard looks, and just will use the website. I'm going to leave the link in my description below so that you can just save the website. So just use my link in the description below. So what you want to do from here, you can click on sign up. For me, I've already have an account. I'm just going to log in. You can fill in your number on top right there. Your number, my number. Yes. Second, you have to put the password that you won't forget, that you'll be using every time you want to log into your account. So you can use anything, your password. Then second, thirdly, you can refill your password that you have put it on top there. It should match. Yeah. Then you can click on sign up. As for me, I've already have an account. Let me just try to log in. And there you have it. This is how the website looks like. Okay, there are different ways of how you can make money with this website. The first thing of making money in this website, you can invest. The minimum investing amount it's a 200 kwacha. If you invest a 200 kwacha, you will be. Let me show you here. So if you invest a 200 kwacha, you get a 400 kwacha in the period of 41 days. You'll get a 400 kwacha. So if you invest a 500 kwacha, you're going to get a here. This is a B2 machine. If you invest a 200 kwacha, you're going to get a 400 kwacha. If you get a 500 kwacha, you're going to if you invest a 500 kwacha, you have a 1066 kwacha in the period of 41 days. Yeah. So as for me, I've invested 500 kwacha. I'm getting a 1066 kwacha in 41 days, which is a very good. Yeah, this is a B15 machine. If you invest a 1500 kwacha, you get a 3402 kwacha in the period of 41 days. A B35 machine, you get a 8. If you invest a 3500 kwacha, you get a 8428 kwacha in the period of 41 days, which is a very good offer. Yeah. So guys, don't waste much of your time. People are making money from the same website. When it comes to claiming your money, this is how I usually claim my money. I make a 26 kwacha for investing 500 kwacha. I make a 26 kwacha per day. So how should I claim? Well, let me show you how to claim the money. So I come down here and I found where it says P5 is a P5 machine, 500 kwacha. I should click on the same one. Yeah. So come down here. So how you can claim the money, the 26 kwacha, just click on the where it says my product on top right corner over there. Then you can click on receive here. There you have it. I've claimed my 26 kwacha. Click on confirm. I'm going to show you my proof of payment. Let me just withdraw. I've made about a 52 kwacha in just 2 days. Adding a 26 kwacha plus a 26 kwacha, which gives me a 52 kwacha. So I'm going to withdraw the money. I'm showing you that this website it's paying a lot of money. Let me just show you. So you can just click on withdraw here. So integers, what they mean is this is supposed to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah. So I'm just going to withdraw 50. Then there have it successful. I'm actually going to wait my money. When is my money going to come? So I'm going to tell you the period it took to reflect in my account. Alright guys, so this is this is 29th of July. So as I promised, I was about to show you the payment proof. So let me just open the website. So I click on the withdrawal report. As you can see, yesterday I had withdrawn 50 kwacha. Today I was paid the 46 kwacha because they always get the 8% of their, I don't know, of their deductions. They deduct 8% from your money that you withdraw. So as you can see here, it has been approved. Let me just show you the message that I've received around the 13 something there. I had withdrawn the money yesterday at what was the time? It was 10:29 and 41 seconds. So let me just show you. It has reached at 13:18. Let me show you the message. So here, as you can see, I've received 46 from received from Mamba Gift, which means my same website. I'm Mamba Gift myself. Yeah, money received 46 from Shan NFC settlements. Yeah, so this is the payment proof I was talking about. Yeah. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Be make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you won't be missing any contents that I'll be posting in the future, like this one that can help you guys in your daily lives. Yeah. So thanks. The link I'll leave in my bio in the description for those who want to contact me. I want to know about more about this investment platform. I'm going to leave my number in the description down below. You can just hit me up on my WhatsApp. Alright, it's a boy Wupetek. I'm out.